Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to use your Tesla's interior climate control for the perfect cabin temperature, guys. Step number one, guys, you want to access your climate controls, okay? Just start by tapping on the climate icon on your touch screen, okay? Just tap on that. And then there you can adjust your temperature, okay? So you'll see the temperature display at the top. Just use plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature to your comfort level. You can also set the temperature for both the driver and passenger side individually if your model allows for dual zone climate control, okay? If your model allows it, you can do that. And step three, guys, I want to show you how to control your fan speed. You can adjust the fan speed by sliding the fan icon left or right, guys. You can slide it either left or right. Okay, this will increase or decrease the airflow in the cabin. Okay, and then also, guys, you can choose your ventilation options. You can you can either direct airflow by selecting where you want the air to come from, the dashboard, the floor, okay, the windshield. Okay, just to tap on the corresponding icons to optimize your airflow preferences, guys. Okay, then you can actually also activate seat heaters if it's available in your model. Okay, just tap on the seat icon to turn on the heat. Okay, you can choose from different heat levels to keep you cozy, right? And guys, you can also turn on or turn off climate control, okay? To turn climate control on or off, simply tap the climate icon again. Okay, you can also, schedule preconditioning to warm up or cool down your Tesla before you get in. All right. And that's it, guys. So go ahead and hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further, guys.